Now I'm down on my knees and I'm begging God, please take away this pain from me, because it's getting hard to breathe. All these demons in my head make me feel like I'm dead, like I'm on my last thread, just hanging off the edge. In the back of my mind, feel like I'm running out of time. Put my life on the line just to get back what is mine. If it's a race I won't place, stay at my own pace and stare at my sister's face and question on my faith. My grandma can't rest with cancer in her breast. My life is such a mess, am I the only one left? My dad has diabetes, mom's hips are kinda leaning, my sisters got beaten and the kids a bad dream. Will it ever stop? Will I make it to the top? Is this my last shot? Cause right now it's all I got. Help me cause I'm stuck, feel like I'm never good enough. This road is kinda rough and I feel like giving up. Still can't have any babies, these lies is time to change me. Doctor visits on the daily, feel like I'm slowly fading. All work and no sleep, am I getting in too deep? Still my promises I keep, still standing on my feet. Got a lot on my plate, one person that I hate took my babies away, won't let me see their face. What more can you take? How much is still at stake? Rip my sister away, she can't just be replaced. Tears are running down my face, my world just been erased. Blood is rushing through my veins, for real, fuck that day. My cousin's heart starts beating, his dad stopped breathing. Kicked out on the streets and got a family he's feeding. This is such a cold world, don't get what you deserve. Just mangled up and hurt and your face rubbed in the dirt. God, please tell me why I'm starting not to try. These questions in my mind, will you answer before I die?